Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this here. This is a birthday sign kit kind of thing. So we're gonna give this thing a go and see what it looks like with all the different pieces and parts in here, if I can truly open it. Very crunchy plastic. Okay, so let's see all the stuff that it comes with. So it looks like it's gonna have all these different installation steps and birthday stuff and whatnot. So I don't know if you can see in my lap here. Hopefully you can as I go through it. So these are gonna be the sign holders. And it says, happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday. So if you know somebody turning 50, that's what this would be perfect for. Look how nice and big that is. That's a nice big sign. We'll go through all these different pieces here, and then I'll show you how to put them up. And then this one here says 1974 made it. So it's only good for this year, this particular part. So it would have to be somebody who was born in 1974. And then these are some stickers and the sign holders. So I'm gonna assume we would use these stickers to keep it open. And then, oops, what did I do? And then we will use these sticks here. We can use them in between them to hold it up. And then these other ones, brackets here, will be the ones to put it into the ground. So once we have it up like that, we'll stick oh wait, actually maybe we'll just do it like that. And then it'll stick into the ground, you see, like that. So it'll be stuck open because we have the stickers, and then it'll stick into the ground with these spikes. So how cool is that? So if you know somebody born in 1974, this is gonna be perfect. Or if it's beyond that day and you just wanna use the happy 50th, you're good with that too. So this is a nice little kit, I like it. So we are gonna put this thing back away and we'll be ready for the birthday. And it looks like they make them in different ones too, because you can see here, this one has an 80th. So you can probably get whichever year you need. And super easy, pretty cool. I like it, thumbs up.